TLOKS1N. That guy always ready for boxing. Yeah, TLOKS1N. TLOKS1N on the beat. TLOKS1N on fire, Jackaman's a beast. Wanna ride it, but I can't take the heat. I'ma keep doing this till I write up a hit. And I'ma try by all means to avoid the cheat. Cause I get my TV figure, but I could have in the fridge. Tell I ain't selling Kanaka Jago till the fridge. Yeah, matter of fact, including Sakalagao. How this is to miss including Zimo Yagao. Commissar Jaja, Baroskan Jaja. Talenturele Banaba Kineka Bakapa. Talenturele Banaba Tepabakataka. One is like a Monangarengamu. Marapapala matata gape ke go rata go inyatsa re bo re dumela fa ba bangwe ba re fora nakana ke na le di toro tse di tona so ama grind get money and until ke khora matata gape motho le ne ga nka khora motho ga nka khora man yeah TLOKS1N. That guy always ready for boxing. TLOKS1N on the beat, I can do damage by the start I just for my view. Ke gopola nako tsele ke posta HVs back then ke ne ke rela mostly for the few. But then I found passion from Tupac and it's classic dog passion, and from drama where the loss is literally tragic. And I touch a J. Cole and it's like magic. I was born into the industry which isn't driving because of bigotry, but I'm ashamed that I entertainment industry and choose to glorify that of another country. I made it as a country, so many stories to tell. Are we blind as a country? At least there are those striving for the people's appreciation as a bounty. But what about me, you ask? I'm guilty of this bigotry. So through my music I made my views to ensure we strive beyond Hubble's far-reaching view. I'm here to we cultivate and spread awareness. It's up to you to sow the seed and grow into greatness. Yeah, TLOKS1N. TLOKS1N. That guy always ready for boxing. Bye, it's TLOKS1N. That guy always ready for boxing.